Hi! Good day, my future employer. I'm Crisanica, 36 years of age, from Philippines. I'm a single parent, blessed with two kids, ages 12 and 7 years old. I'm a college graduate of a 2-year practical nursing course. I work in Hong Kong for 2 years, from year 2022 to 2024. I take care of my employer's mother. She is 92 years old. My main duties are taking her blood sugar and blood pressure every day, assisting personal care like toileting, bathing, dressing, hair and nail care, assisting with walking, transferring from bed to chair using the mobility aids like wheelchair and walker. I also do the household chores like cooking, washing, and cleaning. I also look after my employer's grandchildren when she needs my help, ages 5, 7, and 10 years old. My duties include preparing snacks, playing with them, accompanying them to their extracurricular activities. My previous work experience reflects my trustworthiness, hard work, and caring as a helper. If you hire me, I take care of and guide and love your family with all my heart. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.